Did you know? Your brain treats loneliness the same way it treats hunger. That's why isolation feels physically painful. It sounds dramatic, I know, but scientists are discovering something profound. Your brain treats loneliness with the same urgency, the same primal alarm bells, as it treats hunger. That's why isolation doesn't just feel sad. It can feel physically painful, like a deep, gnawing emptiness that no amount of comfort food or distraction can truly fill. Think about it. When you haven't eaten, your body sends clear signals, a rumble in your stomach, a dip in energy, a laser-like focus on finding food. Well, your brain has a similar system for social connection. When we lack it, our brain activates areas associated with pain and aversion. It's a survival mechanism hardwired over millennia. For our ancestors, being part of a tribe meant safety, food, and protection. Being alone meant danger, vulnerability, even death. This isn't just some abstract idea. Researchers at MIT, using fMRI scans, found that when people who felt lonely were shown images of other people interacting, the same brain region that lights up when you're craving food, the substantia nigra, became active. It's literally a craving for connection. Your brain sees social interaction as a fundamental need, just like food, water, or sleep. In our increasingly connected yet often isolating world, this social hunger is becoming an epidemic. We're surrounded by people, yet many of us feel profoundly alone. The digital world offers a mirage of connection, but often leaves us feeling emptier, comparing our lives to curated highlight reels. So, what can we do? If loneliness is a signal, a vital call from our own minds, then we must listen and reach out. It sounds simple, but it's powerful. Send that text. Make that call. Ask a friend for coffee. It doesn't have to be a grand gesture. Be present. When you are with someone, truly be with them. Put your phone away. Listen with your whole heart. Join a community. Find a group that shares your interests, a book club, a sports team, a volunteering organization. Shared purpose is a powerful glue. Practice self-compassion. Don't judge yourself for feeling lonely. It's a human experience, a signal from your wise brain. Respond to it with kindness. Your brain is telling you something crucial. You are wired for connection. You are meant to belong. Don't let that hunger go unaddressed. Acknowledge it, understand it, and then take that brave step towards feeding your soul the nourishment it truly craves. Because when we connect, we don't just heal ourselves, we heal the world around us. If this resonated with you, please share it with someone who might need to hear it. And remember, connection is always within reach. I'll see you in the next video.